This course is an entry point for any Java developer who wants to master generative AI and Azure OpenAI. You'll be using the large language models that are behind ChatGPT from within your Java applications while using your own data in a secured manner on the Azure cloud.
OpenAI, with its generative AI models and ChatGPT, has taken the AI world by storm. Azure OpenAI brings this power to the Azure cloud. We can create our own chatbots like ChatGPT, generate text, images, translate languages while using our own data in a secured, highly available, and ethical manner. With Microsoft being one of the biggest investors in OpenAI, this Azure OpenAI platform is all set to grow rapidly.
This is Bharat Reddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor. This course is both for beginners as well as experienced data scientists who want to get started with Azure OpenAI.
We will start this course by learning what AI and generative AI are. We will then learn what OpenAI is and how it has revolutionized the AI space with its large language models and ChatGPT. We will move on to master ChatGPT prompt engineering while working across use cases. We will understand what Azure OpenAI service is, set up a Azure OpenAI account, and learn about the pricing, quotas, and limits. We will deploy our very first text model using Azure OpenAI Studio, access that model from within the Azure OpenAI playground, test it, and you will also test it through the APIs from Postman from within your Java applications using the APIs. You will deploy your model as a chatbot, as a web application. You will use content filters to accomplish responsible AI. You will then move on to the image side of things where you will use the powerful DALL-E model to generate images from within the studio as well as from your Java application using the DALL-E APIs. You will learn what embeddings are, deploy the embedding model, and generate embeddings to find out the similarity between words and sentences. We will then move on to the audio side of things to use the Whisper model to transcribe audio to text and translate audio in other languages to English. You will mix the models using the text and audio models together. You will then move on to the advanced side of things where you bring in your own data to use it with the text models in a secured fashion. In this process, you will learn how to use the cognitive search from Azure to do the keyword, vector, and hybrid searches as well. Fine-tuning is a very powerful feature where you can create your own custom models using existing models. You will learn how to fine-tune a model using the Azure OpenAI Studio.